Ruffy puppy. Tip: when when you're at the wall, mother can stop you. More of snap snap, and you're able to walk, and you use a bandage, somehow recovering your foot. Okay, will I be? No, I am crazy. I need some rest. I guess luckily they spawned out here. I don't know where mother spawns though. I need some rest. Happy face. I am very angry, and I'm insane. Okay, food class. Okay, so I don't know if this is a good or bad. Like if this is actually a mother who knows what she's doing, or FNF Lexi. God, that scared me. Okay, wait, you're a player. Hey. Oh. Oh, help! I mean to. Bandage. Okay, we got the first item we need. Demon. I'm going to die. Oh, no, 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 no. Won't be me. Haha, demon hacker. You did the right job, mother. You got rid of the demon hacker. Hacker. You hacker. Can't see it. Ow. Oh, God, that's so scary. Here's mother. Okay. Where's the candle? No. Alright, let's just eat. Oh, what is this? Finger. Got it. Okay. The book room. Come on. Papa B. Papa B. There you go. Wait, what did she say? Sure. What did he say? Can you? Oh my god. Why give a cookie? Get a cookie. Okay, well, I'm gonna do knowledge. Because I intelligent. Hey, I'm hungry. No one cares. Haha. Ooh, that's a nice first one to unlock. Very nice. Swear, the shovel we don't want to unlock. These two, I don't get what they do, and there's no point of unlocking them if they aren't escape worthy. Ooh, okay, all we need is this right here. And yeah, we are. Hello. Dang it! Ah! Okay. I'm fine with reading for one whole day, but 2 days? What the hell? Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Hell. You kidding? Oh my god. Why is it this? The E button is going to snap my finger. Come on. Finally. Okay, just turned midnight. I need a cookie now. I'm gonna head into this room. Because I do not want to be my mother. Because I'm not sure if she's a mobile player, so she's gonna go by a random kid and vote him out. Or she's a skilled player who has a notepad. I mean, to be honest, mobile players are skilled too, I'm just saying. Whatever I say is false in this video. Oh no. Get a cookie. 5. I need 5 cookies? It's my brother. Not really my brother. We have 2 separate last names. Okay, I need to grab a cookie. Okay, is there a pantry? Is this a pantry? Oh, candle! Interesting. It's really hard to traverse the land. As an NPC. Give me a... Where? Okay. Oh my god, I've never been so slow. Like, I want to get done so fast, but I can't. Give me a rock, please. Or a bedsheet. Let's go! Okay. Now we need a rock and a bedsheet. Okay, actually, I think... Oh, wait, I'm Felipe. Wait a second. Wait, Felipe? Whatever, I give up. Ben Taco. Van Taco. That doesn't have any in it. Ben Taco. Yes, it's a give quest. Oh no. If I don't open that, it's gonna be a lot harder. It's downstairs where Mother's just kinda there. A stick? Oh, I have a candle. Yeah? No. Well, yeah, I did eat a sandwich. Yeah. Quiet. Oh. Mother's still alive somewhere. No! That's not me, but Joestar. No, wait, who is Joestar? Time to break everyone's eyes. Why'd I do that? Oh my god, players are dropping like flies here. Who are you? Alright, she's actually food class. Ah. Here, take this. Apache. What are you, my ladies, doing in here? Yes, yes. Okay, let me talk to her. Food class again. Please. Hey, got another bandages. Okay, okay. I don't know where mother's at, but I'm just doing stuff that I can. I swear if it's food class again, you guys. Okay, it's a hacker. I'm gonna give this to a hacker. Oh my god, he's on the next floor. 8 plus 6 is 15. I'm smart. No, I am smart. This is fun. I think she's actually just. I swear I just saw mother. Okay. Happy face. What? Oh my. Rock. Okay, we have what we need, right? A rope, hanger, zip line. Oh, okay. I did really well this run. I don't want to die here. You're good. You're good. But I'm better. Ink Master X, Alex. Melix. Okay. I have a candle. I have the zipline. Each day that goes by, everything gets riskier. I was getting a bag of Doritos. Okay, where's the big tree? Big tree. There's a big tree. Wow. Okay. Simple dimple. Simple dimple. Yay! Oh, thanks, Outplayed. Thanks. Thanks, Outplayed.